What's good, YouTube? We back with another video, and today we are getting stuff to do an oil change on my car because my car is telling me that I need an oil change. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna go to the store or the AutoZone, and then we are going to get the stuff to do the oil change. That's what we're gonna do today, y'all. And today you guys are gonna meet Dustin. Dustin, he has been helping me with my car a lot lately, and we just gonna keep on doing stuff to the car when I get the stuff for it. Like I said in the last video, I want to do a whole bunch to this car, and yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna go to AutoZone, get the stuff, and that's how it's gonna be. So we all gonna be learning today because I myself have no idea how to do an oil change. I'm learning just like some of you guys are learning, and yeah, so I'm gonna just record it step by step on how to do the oil change. Right now we're going to the store to get some oil and our oil filter, so that's what we're gonna be doing right now. Let me know what you guys want to see on the channel. Yesterday I was supposed to do a workout vlog, show you guys what it's like for me to do my workout classes and stuff, but I didn't have enough footage, so I wasn't able to edit it all into a full video. But it's all good. We're gonna get one of them up real soon, and then that's that. We're at AutoZone right now, so we're about to go in, get the materials we need, and then we're gonna be on our way to get it fixed. Yes, sir. All right, so we just got the oil filter oil. We got oil and oil filter. Gotta get the one for your car. Make sure it's all the right stuff. They didn't have the extended filter, which just lasts longer, but I just got the standard one because they didn't have the extended one. So that's what we're gonna do. Now we're gonna be on our way to Dustin's so we can get this put in. One thing I learned about cars, and not just my car, is to stay on top of it. Stay on top of your checkups. Stay on top of keeping your car as healthy as it can be. Make sure you get your oil changes. Make sure you change out any little thing that needs to be changed out, because a lot of this stuff isn't expensive. It's just little stuff. Go get it changed. Go get it fixed up real quick. I mean my coils for my car, those can get expensive, but like your spark plugs, getting an oil change, there's little stuff like that. Them little things, make sure you stay on top of it, because it'll save you the headache from anything bigger breaking and all that, all that money coming out your pocket. You don't want that. So stay on top of your car, get your changes you need, because shoot, you want whether you're into cars or not, you want to make sure your car lasts to get you to point A to point B, even if you're not interested in cars. But especially if you're doing your racing, you're doing whatever you're doing, you like to drive fast, all that kind of stuff, burnouts or whatnot, just make sure you stay on top of that, especially because you don't want all that wear and tear to become bigger than what it already may be. So that's one thing I learned. So we're about to pull up to his house right now, and I'm just going to record step by step what we all got to do to get the oil change. I hope you guys do like this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, please like the video. I do want to grow on YouTube. I think this is something I could do. I'm starting to get in the hang of it, and I hope that this video helps some of you guys too who've been wondering this, or maybe it's just interesting. So yep, we're gonna get right into it. Pulling in now. We up at Dustin's house right now. We was here for a little bit because I let my car over there cool down before we started working on it, but should be all cool now. All right, actually no, this is cool right here. So all we're doing right here is unscrewing it and then letting it leak down.
Yeah, drain the oil pan.
You were right.
Yeah, that shit, you don't never not get it on you. Some bullshit stuff. Tighten this up.
So the oil is out. Put that in, and now we're changing the oil filter.
We don't have an oil filter wrench though, so we're gonna make what work what we got.
You don't got a oil filter wrench?
Use a pair of channel locks. Let that drain out for a minute.
So that's the new oil filter.
We're gonna fill it halfway up so we don't get it dry start up. Move the ring. Move the oil out the way so we can kick it over. Done that a bunch of times. You just want to hand tighten these. You don't want to put nothing on them.
Oh.
Then we good. We just fill the oil up.
Easy like 1, 2, 3.
That's it.
Alright, so we got the oil change done. It was really easy as 1, 2, 3, literally. It took a little longer just because we had to cool the car down. Yep, and that's fixed, yo. Done with the oil change. It was really easy. Like literally all you gotta go under there, twist the thing off, let the oil leak, change out the filter, put it back on, put everything back on, put the oil in, and you're done after that. But it's easy as that, pretty much. This is Dustin's car right here. He drives a 1995 Mustang GT. This thing's hard. Sir. That's crazy. Man. It ain't no way my car doing that. Now my car did do a little burnout though. Hold on, look at this. My car did. Cause I don't even know how to do a burnout, and then he did this right here. My car did a little sound, a little smoky smoke. Nothing like that though. This thing, that might all the way across there. We're gonna get there though. Alright y'all, that's gonna wrap up the video for today. I just went to go get me a sandwich before I train my workout class later. But if you guys haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. And big shout out to Dustin for helping me out. We got a lot more coming up, a lot more stuff to add on to the car, so just stay tuned y'all, for real. And that's about it, so I'll see you guys in the next video.